In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a knowledge base in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean, searchable system for articles, FAQs, and guides that your team can trust and maintain. First, create a new base. Log into your Airtable account, click Add a Base, and choose Start from Scratch. Give your base a clear, memorable name, like Knowledge Base. Consistent naming helps your team recognize and adopt it quickly. Next, set up your main table. Airtable organizes information in tables, and for a knowledge base, one core table called Articles is a great starting point. Add the fields you need. Title as a single line text for the article name, category as a single select for types like FAQ, tutorial, or policy, tags as a multiple select for quick search, content as a long text field for the main information, attachments for files or images, and an optional date created field to track when entries were added. Keep field names simple and consistent so contributors don't have to guess where things go. Now add your categories and tags. In the category field, create options such as FAQ, how-to, and guides. In the tags field, add common keywords your audience will use to find content. Short, consistent tags go a long way toward faster search and better organization. Enter your first articles to establish the structure. Click Add Record to create a new article. Fill in the title, category, and tags, and write the content clearly and concisely in the content field. If you have screenshots, PDFs, or reference files, drop them into attachments to keep everything in one place. If you need the link to Airtable, you'll find it at the top of the description so you can follow along or get started right away. To organize your knowledge base, use views. Create filtered views like FAQs, how-to guides, or recently added to highlight what matters most. Sort and filter by category, tag, or date to make it easy for anyone to find exactly what they need. When you're ready to share, click Share in the top right. You can share the entire base or create a shared link for read-only access, which is perfect for viewers who should browse but not edit. If you're collaborating, set permissions so teammates can add or update articles safely. Finally, keep it updated. Add new articles regularly, refresh content as things change, and use tags and categories consistently so search stays reliable. With these steps in place, your Airtable knowledge base will stay clear, useful, and easy to scale. Thanks for watching.